Today I'm going to be installing a low voltage power station in the cabin. It's got a 12 volt accessory plug, two USB ports. I opted to have a voltmeter and then a switch so we can turn it off when we're not here. This stuff will stay lit up, and we'd rather not have any lights on in the cabin when we're gone. All of this came in pre-mounted in this little piece here, and I was hoping I could just mount it to a blank switch plate, but the screws interfere, so I had to take a hole saw, drill out these 4 holes and just transfer the devices over into it. So we're going to mount a box in the wall and run wire from a light that's in the bathroom. So we'll get started. I drilled that hole and I let the bit cut over to the stud so I could get this line. I used a stud finder, and they're pretty close, but they're not always accurate. So now we know where that edge actually is.
a floating box. I like to try and, when I hit a stud like that, I like to try and get a couple screws in it, and I don't think that angle's going to work for me. Let's see. Well, that's one anyway. I'll be okay. Here's the wire. All the heights are jumped together. All the neutrals are tied together, except for the one coming from the switch. And then turn the switch on, and everything's powered up. There it is. So it's charging my one GoPro battery, and the other one's already charged, so it's working. This install was a lot easier than it could have been because we have a cabinet right there. I just pulled it out and that allowed me to fish the wire a lot easier. We ran it up the wall through the light fixture inside the bathroom. So if we didn't have a cabinet there, I'd have had to use a flex bit, but we could have done it that way too. I'll leave a link below my video for I'll call it a power center. It's a voltmeter, a 12 volt accessory plug, and 2 USBs with an on-off switch. Today I will be installing this accessory power